Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. ESG issues tender for film screening in all talukas, then cancels it. Congress says tender cancelled as it did not go to a favourite of authorities. ₹146 crore worth municipal solid waste management facility at Calangute to be ready within 18 months. Plan to cater North Goa. Preparations at Old Goa almost through. Church all set for exposition beginning from Saturday. FC Goa targets maximum points in the 3 back-to-back home games. Zico's boys face FC Pune City in ISL on Saturday. And Rajwardhan Singh Rathore feels upbeat about India's chances at 2016 Olympics. Olympics medalist Rathore praises Sports Minister Sonowal. And now the news in detail. ESG issues tender for film screening in all talukas, then cancels it. Decides to scrap cultural activities across Goa during IFI to pay way for screenings, yet goes ahead and scraps the tender. Why? Congress says tender cancelled as it did not go to a favourite of authorities. ESG, although failed to give satisfactory replies, attributes the step to financial reasons.
Have a look at this. ESG had floated this e-tender on 30th October. The information in this tender revealed that for this year's IFI, films were supposed to be screened in 11 talukas on huge LED screens from 21st to 29 November. The tender also focused on appointing an agency supplying LED screens, security agency and other logical support. But now when IFI is underway, there is nothing. Except in Panji, there is no screening in any other taluka. The question is why this tender was floated and why it was scrapped. This issue was raised in our weekly program, The Debate. However, ESG could not give a proper reply.
प्रत्येक जो आम्ही कितें अबाव सर्टन हे आसता प्रपोजल इट हॅज टू गो टू गव्हर्नमेंटाक वचून ताजें फायनान्शियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह अप्रुवल येवचें पडटा एंड देन ओनली वी कॅन टेक द थिंग्स बरोबर ओके सो इट वॉज डिसायडेड maybe because of there is a issue, let us accept. Yes, financial issues are there, so government have said no. Or that
but cultural, without that approval to me tender
no, listen, so what was decided, if we get even lesser amount sanction, we will do the screening of the film.
Whistleblower within the ESG governing body clear cut told me thonzo jo ek sarko वयल्या पोस्टार जो मनीस आसा ESG ताज्या मित्रान अप्लाय केल्ले टेंडराक दुसऱ्या एका मनशान केल्ले हू कोटेड लेस अमाउंट जवळ जवळ म्हाका दिसता 80 लाख कित तरी व्हेन ही कोटेड लेस अमाउंट ही बिकेम नॅचरल L1 फक्त ताका दिवपाक मेळना आपल्या मित्राक दिवपाक मेळना L1 दिवचे पडटले क्लियर कट टोल्ड टू मी बाय द ऑफिस बेरर ऑफ द ESG प्रमोद I'm on record this is told to me the office bearer of ESG.
This is a very serious charge.
I am not a protection
and a person is a credible person.
It cannot be अरे तू टेंडर प्रोसिजर इतलो क्लियर आसा it has to go by L1 ताका दिवपाक मेळना म्हणून टेंडर पळय फक्त स्क्रीनीचे टेंडर केले म्हणून जायना तू थंय स्क्रीनिंग करतलो मूवी पळय न्ही त्याची परमिशनां लागता खंयचे देर आर ऑल सच थिंग्स एंड फॉर दॅट गव्हर्नमेंट अप्रुवल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
146 crores worth municipal solid waste management facility at Calangute will solve major problems of waste management and treatment in North Goa. The project is the first of its kind in the country and is expected to be ready within 18 months. South Goa too will get such a treatment plant at Kuchere soon. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar laid foundation stone for the plant on Friday in presence of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar.
146 crores खर्च आसा 146 कोटींचो हो प्रकल्प आसा ज्या प्रकल्पात सेग्रिगेशना पासून सगळ्यो गोष्टी म्हणजे कंपोस्ट मेळटले इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सुद्धा जनरेट जातली पावर सुद्धा जनरेट जातली. सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो. असे जे प्लांट येतात सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट ट्रीट करपाक आज जो एक अत्याधुनिक लेटेस्ट आणि मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरून जो प्रोजेक्ट हांगा सुरू जाता फाउंडेशन स्टोन घाला तो बेगिनात बेगीन सुरू जातलो हाची सरकार काळजी घेतली. दक्षिणेकूय एक प्रोजेक्ट अशाच प्रकारचो कुडचड्यार जावपाचो आसा. ह्या दोनांनीच काम जावचें ना हेवूय आमकां कळटा. आवश्यक आसता जसो सक्सेस मेळटा तशे आवश्यकते प्रमाणे वाडीवूय गजाली जातल्यो. SMC इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तीच हाचेर खर्च करतली. पूर्ण खर्च ती करतली. 18 महिन्याचो परफॉर्मन्स पिरियड आसा तेका. 18 महिने तिने काम करून दाखोवचे पडटले. ज्यो उपलब्धी आसात तिचो सक्सेस दाखोवचो पडटलो आणि 18 महिन्यानंतर फुडल्या 10 वर्सात गोंय सरकार हप्त्यांनी तेचे पैसे फारीक करतले.
The project is undertaken by the SMC company. This plant is assured to take care of hygiene and health of workers at the plant. The garbage plant would treat around 100 tons of garbage per day. The plant is expected to be ready by May. Our reporter Shamsudar Fatte for Prudent.
Preparations at Old Goa are almost through and the church is all set for exposition beginning from Saturday. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar with CM Parsekar inaugurated the facilities at Old Goa. 99% work has been completed and government has spent around 70 crores for the renovation and upgradation of infrastructure at the venue. 3 extra battalions have been called from Maharashtra. Sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier will be taken to Say Cathedral Church on Saturday after a liturgy at 9:30 a.m.
Start at 9:30 and followed after that we'll be going back to the cathedral, and then from the cathedral the relics will be brought out in procession, and then they will be led to the from the basilica they will be led to the cathedral church. So this may take, the mass may take around 1 hour plus. Then soon after that we'll be bringing the relics from the basilica to the cathedral.
Renovation and upgradation works at Old Goa have been almost complete. Refurbishment work at some spots in the premises are still on. Defence Minister Parrikar unveiled the plaque on Friday. Chief Minister Parsekar and other ministers and MLAs accompanied Parrikar.
ह्या फावट नवीन बायपास तर जाताच, पण एकूण ह्या कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या प्रिमायसिसांत कॅम्पसांत मोठ्या प्रमाणार रिफर्बिशिंग करप जालां. 70 crores हांगा खर्च जाल्ले आसात. म्हाका दिसता ह्या हिस्टॉरिकल जागेक, हिस्टॉरिकल प्लेसीक एक योग्य प्रकारचे सरकारा कडल्यान मदत जाल्या आणि ताची एक सँक्टिटी दवरपाक, तेचें मोठेपण वाडोवपाक, तेचें महत्व गोंय आणि देशांत न्ही जगभरांत पावोवपाक हेचो मोठ्या प्रमाणात उपयोग जाता.
Security during the exposition has been beefed up with battalions from Maharashtra. 20 Kadamba buses have been roped in service for the exposition.
आम्ही आता एक्सपोजिशन आता 20 बसी हाडले आणि टोटल कॉस्ट अबाउट 3.12 crores. आमकां स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान फंडिंग केला आणि ह्यो बसी आमच्यो आसतल्यो फेरी करपा लोकांक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फ्रॉम द पार्किंग पॉइंट्स टू द एक्सपोजिशन सेंटर.
Sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier will be taken to Say Cathedral Church on Saturday after a liturgy at 9:30 a.m. Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.